excellent fish on it nearly every time. It's really, like I said, after you fish your rods a while, you get to the point right here. You know the trees. I think there are trees you can hang two rods on and fish. There's the rod. You can see it. Hey. By the time I get this fish in the water, out of the water. About a mile back now. That's a big old girl. Looks like I got some lens over there on the lens. Is that amazing or what? I just can't really imagine. Those nice calm days, if you watch some of the film, the nice calm days where you can really roll around and do whatever you want with the canoe, put it wherever you want. They're beautiful. These days like these are really pretty serious draggle. I swear, here we go again. Oh. Come on. Give me a grill. Let go of the line. I'm going to end up. All right. One more. Alright, let's see what we get. Oh, there she goes, getting excited. This rod has no stump, no yo brother. I was thinking it wasn't that big of a fish, but I think I was mistaken. I think I was looking at big fish on my third generation rod. I've only fished it 2 nights.